Trade you then.
Ako!
How is your delivery, madam?
Okay. Wow, that's big. I'm gonna
You
trade
didn't look
you.
at the inside.
Hindi bubuksan. Okay, I'm gonna trade
That's a
you
butter
this. Huwag mo sabihin. Mami yung si ate. Sinasabi niya.
Ikaw, pinapalaro kita sa kanya, ayaw mo makipaglaro. Tapos ngayon, nakikialam ka dyan. Hindi mo alam pakilaruin yung kapatid mo.
Okay.
Pag ibang bata, ang galing-galing mo.
I'm gonna give you this. Yes. This.
Add.
This.
Okay,
Accept.
You know that's a wrapper.
Okay, what's inside here? I'm gonna open it now. Let's look. Ouch! Mom, can you help me? Thank you. I'm gonna close my eyes. Wow! A nice cube in the butter. The butter smells like candy and mixed with, and it's so slow rising.
Jelly. Nido.
And look at the needle. Look at the needle. Look at the needle nice cube. Look.
It's so blurry now. Diba hindi ko nabibigay sa kanya sa birthday niya na?
Oh my God, it sticks.
Hindi na mas gusto mo bibigay ko sa'yo sa birthday mo. Bawal din.
Okay, I'm gonna put it back here now.
Kaya nido ha. Ano bibigay ko sa'yo sa birthday mo? Nido.
I'm gonna put it back in there.
Candy.
Ano yan, oh? Papanin ako ninyo.
Okay,
want your candy.
guys, wait. My mom is gonna go pee, so don't make fun of her. Okay, so guys, we're gonna put my squishes here now because I have a new container. Now let's put it here. Okay, so guys, wait. I'm gonna wait for my mama right